Imagine a sea so wide and so deep that there's absolutely no way to cross it. Behind you, a powerful army is fast approaching, their horses galloping like thunder. Prophet Musa stood on the shore, trapped between the crashing waves and the coming swords. The people around him cried out in fear, believing that the end had finally arrived. But Musa looked at the water with a calm heart and a steady gaze. He raised his wooden staff high into the air as the wind began to howl. With a sudden strike, the staff hit the surface of the dark, salty water. A sound like a mountain breaking echoed across the entire beach. The sea began to pull back, rising up on both sides like giant walls of glass. A dry path appeared in the middle of the ocean, stretching toward the horizon. Musa led his people onto the seabed, walking where no human had ever walked before. Huge fish swam behind the walls of water, watching the crowd pass by in silence. The army behind them reached the shore and charged into the path with a roar. The heavy wheels of their chariots began to sink into the wet sand. Panic filled the air as the walls of water started to tremble and shake. Just as the last person stepped onto the safe land, the ocean came crashing down. The powerful army vanished beneath the waves in a single massive explosion of foam. Musa stood on the green grass of the new land, looking back at the quiet sea. The sun rose over the water, showing the world that a miracle had changed history. It was a day the world would never forget, the day the sea opened a door for the faithful.